Do you want to feel cool this summer? Let's create fresh and breezy feeling in your bedroom with IKEA in just 4 steps. Step 1. Choose the mood you are looking for. I will go for coastal look and will utilize the turquoise color to bring it to life. Step 2. Replace your normal bed accessories with cooling pillows and lighter quilts. Use cooling mattress protector to feel fresh while sleeping. Step 3. Use blackout curtains to protect your bedroom from the heat outside and contain the cool breeze inside. A tip from me: match the colors of your curtains, bed linens, rugs and cushions for a clean and aesthetic look. Step 4. Bring out coastal vibe with plants and other accessories. And your room is ready! Share with us your tips to refresh your bedroom for the summer and stay tuned on our page for more tips and ideas.